Hey, hi guys. Welcome to this video. Behalf of Punon Technology, I welcome you all with a great solution, a good era in video streamings and video technologies. Hi, let me show you one product regarding LCS. Before that, let me give you some glimpse about this company. This company is based on all the innovation technologies, the people who just want a great solutions education field in industry 4.0, any kind of IoTs. We welcome you all. So below this video we have our contact details. You can contact us for the same. Now let's go for a product. It's called LCS. What this product is, before that, everybody has passed out with schools, college. We know at that moment of time in that olden days, teacher used to teach on blackboard. She used to write something. We just hurry on writing the book. Oh, teacher, please wait for a while. Abstractions, waste of time, congestivity in the classroom and everything. Then there was a green board, then acrylic board. And also our kids and everybody has experienced a smart board. This just we can say about 2019s. We are following the same. The kids going to a school or colleges, they used to travel for an hour or something, reach there in the premises, and things were happen. After 6 hours or 7 hours later on, they come to home. Everything's they go to class. So the transportation time and everything. So it was so difficult. So there was not a focus in education industry. Student was interest of traveling. Most probably we are Indians, we are from India. We are having a transportation issues and everybody. Most probably in metro cities. I hope so. Your country also facing the same. Now everybody, due to this COVID-19 pandemic issue, people were the world were in the lockdown, hoping that when we are going to start our day-to-day life, everybody struggling for food, somebody struggling, even though hospitals, that issue was increased. In our lifespan, we never experienced such kind of pandemic issue. The children, the parents, everybody, the business people were in so depressed that how we can survive. Everybody has become a setback, like we have setback of 5 years. Everything is lost. What to do? So the parents, the children, they are thinking now how our education will be. It's a waste of a 1 year career, waste of time. How it will be. So the lecturers, the teachers, and everybody they start doing such kind of solution what they have in the market, such as Zoom or Skype or everything. Just we have a lecture on it. People has adapted a new era of video learning system. I think so. You all have it done. As a businessman, we had a meeting in a conference on video, not waste of time and everything. But yes, of course, even you all guys also face something while having a meeting or while having a lecture. A kid is moving behind, somebody is moving behind. The background, now you can see a good background of the books and the shelves. This all virtual. I'm sitting in a such kind of different place, and this is happening due to grid commercialization. I will come back to you later on. But even you have saw some videos in some kind of YouTubes or in your WhatsApp that's having a video conference, guys doing something, his wife is shouting, kids are running. So it become a disgrace that, oh my God, what is happening? Everybody's facing this situation. Now we should have something, some good solution that such kind of embarrassment, what we are facing, should not be happen. What you are doing, it should be professional. The viewers should accept what the knowledge you are giving to them or something. But again, the problem is such kind of solution is come something around 40,000 or 50,000 US dollars. Yes, and you know very well. Even everybody saw the Marvels movies and everything, the Spider-Man, the Avengers, okay, and everybody know it's all the animation stuff. But that animation put in a real time, the person is, how it happens is due to this such kind of green chroma solution. A such solution is too costly. As I said, you $40,000 to $50,000, and you require an operator, camera operator, a system operator, and everything. It's not great. It's not affordable. So we come to the picture. Yes, so the Punon Technologies bring you a such solution that user-friendly, a single person can just have a one small cloth of green chroma. It's a green cloth. You have any kind of camera. It might be VGA, it might be a 1080 high definition camera, it's and your laptop camera is also okay. You can have such kind of thing and you can able to record your own video. And there is no limitation of space what before we are having. With your one streaming, your recording, we have such kind of solution, so you can able to live video, you can able to stream at that same recording on your YouTube, your Facebook, any kind of your video stream gateways. Correct? So what we have, and we are giving to you. Such kind of solution what we have, it is more or less than $4,000 or something. It's like a 10% of the solution what is in market present. So we welcome you for that. Though I will give you some kind of examples. Let me show you something. Okay. Now see in my beside you can able to see that there is a screen. Okay, if I'm writing on a tab something, okay, it's as I will just write hi guys. Fine, you can see the hi guys I have written. In same screen I can able to show you something. If I have in a PDF, if I have in a PowerPoint, if I have a video, I can able to show you that. Not only this screen, I can create multiple of screen behind me and can show you everything. So your viewers or your student, every can able to feel that I'm in it. So it's a virtual real-time experience live. Though if they want, they can save that video, they can able to stream and see again and again. So the students, they feel something shy. Oh, how I can able to ask my lecturer? Oh, I don't know, I have not understood. You can able to again repeat it out. The student feels shy. So this solution can help them to view that video again and again till they don't come to that contest. Even the lecturer can upload the video offline, or they can go online, as you said, I said in before, and so forth. What kind of hardware are required in this system? Just a PC or a laptop, what you have right now in your home. That's enough, it's fine. Just put a green cloth behind. It's cost around something, you can say $5 or $6 cloth you have to put at the back side. So green or any green kind of cloth cannot able to get such a pixels. So you can able to see beside me, behind me, there is something I can able to wave my hands, the green clothes are there. So if for example, if I am just taking a green cloth and you can see I'm invisible, right? This is a green cloth what I am, you can able to not see. So these can hide your background and it shows you are in somewhere in like a mall, you are somewhere in a library, you are somewhere in a good area or something. So your viewers can experience a good fetch of your meetings, conference or lecture. Okay, now come to the point. What hardware else required? Camera, any camera you have, no problem, because our software filter such kind of things. So you don't have a great camera like DSLR or something like this, so it's fine. Any kind of camera you have, it's no problem. Like I can say you, the camera suggests if you have a camcorder, it's okay. There is one device where you can convert from your HDMI to USB. We also provide at the same. It's a very minimum cost, so you can buy that. Even HDMI to USB, you can do that. So you can have such kind of camera too. Okay, it's a 1080 camera, so you can able to take such kind of cameras also. Okay, you should have an HDMI cable, such kind of HDMI cable and everything. So it's I said you the solution comes, it's something 10% the cost what I said you the people are using. So these all things you have and go on with your lectures, and the benefit is your one recording sitting at home or any place can gather a mock of million peoples. Oh, even that great? Okay, so I will insist you with our cost-effective system. Welcome you once again to Pune Technologies for our LCS system. If you want a demo, we can show you online demo. Our support team is there. Support to you. We'll give you online demo. You will give you some a few days of free subscription if you like to see it. We will give it to the same. So have an experience on it. Thanks you once again. Be safe. God bless. Bye.